In this guided meditation, we'll use breath awareness and a deep body scan to help soften our experience of pain. So before we begin, just take a moment to recognize how mindful you've been so far today. And have you brought a kind awareness to your thoughts, to your heart, your emotions? And what about the body itself? Take time to reflect upon why it is that you chose this topic. And notice if you're already telling yourself any positive or negative stories that are related to the topic. Remember that many others are feeling the same way that you are. And remember too that your feelings can change at any time. And of course, this meditation will be of greatest benefit if we can take what it is that we learned here, the awareness developed here, and apply it throughout our daily lives. So we'll begin. Breathing is the most natural thing in the world, and yet we tend to forget about it as we move about our days. So we'll begin by honoring our breath now and feel how breath brings us into the present moment so we can better relax. We'll take together 5 significant and purposeful breaths. Take a deep breath in, expand your belly and chest as much as you can. Hold it for a moment at the top. And then a nice slow breath out, feeling a wave of relaxation sweep over you. Breath 2, breathe in, fill your entire system with fresh oxygen. Hold it at the top. And then exhale, allowing that wave of relaxation to sweep over you. Number 3, inhale, fill up all the way with air. Hold it for a moment, soak in oxygen. And then exhale, allowing your body to relax in every area without any effort. Breath 4, breathe in. Feel how the breath purifies your entire body. And then with exhale breath, just notice. Last one, beautiful full breath comes in, hold it, feel invigorated. And then exhale and sense into relaxation through the whole body. And then breathe normally in and out through your nose, just relax. And take note of how you feel right now, in this moment. You have an abundance of oxygen right here and right now. So notice the sensation. This is how you are meant to feel. Breathing deeply and fully is an expression of self-compassion, self-love, self-care. So here with your natural breath, notice how this abundance feels. Good. And then open your eyes if they're closed, and let your eyes wander around, looking at all the things around you, just taking in form in general, shapes, colors, not spending too long looking at any one thing in particular. And then without any effort, let your mind choose something in front of you to focus on, and don't look away. Perhaps something towards the earth ahead of you. And then begin to slowly blink your eyes. With each count, we'll blink once, continuing to softly gaze at the spot you have chosen in between each number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And now blink your eyes closed. And as your eyes close, feel again this wave of relaxation sweep over your whole body. And then bring your awareness and your focus to the sensations at the top of your head. Just notice how the very top of your head feels. Let your focus move down towards your eyes. Notice how your eyes feel and ask them to soften, ask them to relax. Let any small eye movements that you notice cue you to feel calm. And if you're lying down, notice how the back of your head feels against the surface below. And whether you're seated or lying down, just notice how your head feels right now. Sense its weight. Let your focus move to your nose. Notice the sensation of air moving in and out with each cycle of breath. And when you breathe in, imagine that you are being filled with a beautiful bright light. And when you breathe out, let this body of light feel deeply relaxed. Now focus on your ears. Notice how the ears feel. And also notice what they hear. Hear every single noise. And let every sound that comes into your ears act as a little wave of relaxation, taking you even deeper into stillness. Notice the sound of my voice. And perhaps from here forward, only hearing my voice as it guides you. All other sounds just passing through, taking you towards a deeper state of healing. And now aware of the mouth, how does it feel? What do you notice? Perhaps noticing or sensing or imagining the taste of your favorite fruit. Notice how your mouth waters as you visualize or remember. And then bring your focus downwards to the neck and shoulders. And if you notice any tension, just ask it to release. Move your attention further downwards, slowly down each arm. all the way down to each one of your fingertips. What are your fingertips touching or sensing right now? Feel the sensations on your fingertips. And then bring your focus back to your chest, your torso. Relaxing this entire area as well as your upper back. And again, if you notice any tension, ask it nicely, kindly to release. Feel and focus in on your heart. Perhaps you can feel it beating strongly, supporting you. Or just visualize or imagine the heart beating. And what does it feel like to relax in the heart space? And now focus on your lungs. Notice the lungs gently expanding and contracting with each breath, delivering oxygen to your body. Allow your focus to move through your vital organs and your digestive system. Notice your belly and observe. Observe how the belly digests effortlessly for you. And then notice your lower back. And if you notice any tension there, just ask it to please soften and relax. Focus now on your pelvis and hips. Notice any sensations. Your deep awareness takes you into a deep state of relaxation, healing you. Allow your focus to move down each leg, slowly releasing tension and relaxing in the legs as well. Your legs have taken you so many places over the years, and they deserve this moment of complete relaxation. Let this wonderful wave of relaxation move down over your knees, into your lower legs, all the way down to your feet, into the very tip of each toe. Good. And now we're going to take our focus back up the same way from the toes to the top of the head, but this time imagine you are slowly pulling in your favorite color. And the color you choose will visualize as a deeply healing substance, a healing color, perhaps the color as a warmth or a quality of light. And we'll imagine this favorite color of ours coming in through the tips of the toes up into the feet. This color, this warmth, or this light, it travels up the legs, passing over the knees and up into the pelvis and hips. This beautiful color fills your digestive system and belly. It fills the vital organs and continues into the lungs. This beneficial color profoundly healing you, glowing as it fills your whole heart. Notice what it feels like as you do this. The hue travels through your shoulders and down each arm, all the way down into your fingertips. And then this invigorating color moves up your neck, mending and healing you as it goes. It blankets your mouth, ears, nose, eyes. And it instantly fills every tiny corner of your mind, encompassing your mind, healing it as well. It moves all the way to the very top of your head where we began. Some of this color spilling out above the crown of your head, enveloping you in a healing experience, spilling out through the crown of your head and covering the entire outer form of your body. And then notice how your entire body feels right now. Become aware of every part of your body. And let this awareness help you arrive fully in the present moment. Being present with yourself allows you to be present in your life. Dwelling in pain is sometimes the practice of being in pain or identifying in pain. But perhaps pain is just an experience that we can be aware of. So can you send your experience of pain some compassion? Send it love. Ask it to please relax and soften. Understanding that you are not your pain. You can feel pain, but the pain is not you. Recognize the very good work that you've done here today. And allow yourself slowly, on your own time, to return to the present moment with eyes open again. Breathing in fresh air and bringing back with you into the space around you all that you have learned today. Notice you are now full of new knowledge and welcome in a new relationship to your pain.